Hello guys, my name is Mikey and today I would like to introduce you the new features of the premium indicator. Uh, the indicator is ICT SM trades. You can find it by typing ICT SM. Here is the free indicator without alerts and without the most of the features, and this is the premium indicator with alerts and with daily bias, order blocks, and so on. So, what are the new features of the premium indicator? So the first new feature is alerts, new types of alerts. If I click here at alert, as you can see, this is the fair value gap to long and fair value gap to short. So if the price is coming to the untested fair value gap, the alert will be triggered. Okay, so in this case, fair value gap to the short or fair value gap to long and short together will be triggered right here. Okay, and this fair value gap is tested by this price, so it will not trigger again. And the new alert is order block, so if the price would reach this order block, the alert will be triggered. Okay, you have also for long, for short, and for long and short together. There is one important thing. If you want to make the fair value gap and order block alerts be working, you need to have clicked this for fair value gaps alerts. It is written here as well. Must be checked for fair value gap alerts. And if you want order block alerts, you have to have checked this setting. Okay, so it is written here as well. So this is it for the alerts. I can also say that if you are going to create an market structure shift alert, you can. It doesn't have anything in the settings checked, but if you the same is for liquidity grab, you don't have to have checked anything in settings. But if you want to see live liquidity grabs which are triggered by these alerts, you have to check this very first option or setting, show live liquidity grabs. Okay, so the next new feature is that there are showing extended fair value gaps and order block of the very last trade. So as you can see, the very last trade on this chart is this short trade. There is one long trade, but market structure shift is the last here for the short one. So as you can see, we have extended fair value gaps and the order block. You can turn off this by clicking here, and you will see it as before, like before. Okay, so I will turn it on back. And then the last one new feature is that I have created 3 frames for the daily bias, and I can show you what does it mean. I can show daily bias EMAs, and I can set short-term frame. So as you can see in the short-term frame, if you are trading in this time from here to here, we would see short daily bias. Oh no, from here to here. Okay, here is the cross. Here we would see long daily bias because of this price going up, and here we would see short daily bias, and from here to here we would see long daily bias. So this is the short term daily bias. Okay, if we set mid-term, we can see that it will be a little bit higher frame. So we would see short daily bias from here up to here, and from here to here it would be long daily bias. Okay, and if we set a long-term frame, as we can see that we would be in the short trend from here to here. Here is the cross, and from here we would be up until now we would be in the long term because of this price going up. Okay, so I showed how does this daily bias work in previous videos. It is working with these two EMAs. One is stronger and one is weaker, and you can also set custom daily frame, and you can set the stronger EMA and the weaker EMA. If the weaker EMA is above the stronger one, it is uptrend or long daily bias, and vice versa, it is short term or short daily bias. So I can hide this, I can go back to for our time frame, and I would like to show you one trade made by multi-timeframe analysis. So as you can see here, here we have short trade. This is the liquidity grab, market structure shift. Okay, and here I would got an alert for fair value gap. Okay, so I can highlight this area of the fair value gap. I always take the first fair value gap. Okay, and as we can see, this is the first touch. This is not, there is nothing, but if we go here, we can see this is the liquidity grab, market structure shift, and here we have fair value gap again. So I am entering in the first fair value gap, so in the middle always will be here, stop loss to body, and we would go to the short 1-to-1 reservoir ratio. I would go break even. I would set stop loss to break even, and then it would be nice short trade up to 6 reservoir ratio. You can have multiple take profits on this trade. If we look on the 5-minute time frame, if we look on the 5-minute time frame, which is here, this is nothing. Okay, I have turned off long trades here, so this is nothing. And if we go further, so we can see here we have first short trade. Okay, and if I would enter here and stop loss to the body, it would be very small stop loss, only 2 pips. I'm not sure if I would open it with so small stop loss, and it would be of course a loss. If I set stop loss to the body, if you set stop loss to the wick, it would not be loss, it would be probably break even. Yeah, 1-to-1 is here and it will be break even. But the trade after that is a lot more nicer. So first we have a fair value gap and enter in the middle. It would be sniper entry, stop loss to the body. Here you can see liquidity grab, market structure shift. Okay, and so it would be very nice entry with 12 pips stop loss, which is nice. And this trade can go, so we would be 1-to-1 would be here, so stop loss to break even, and we can go up to 9R at the moment. So very nice short trade as well. So this is my favorite analysis, multi-timeframe analysis, where I'm analyzing 4-hour time frame, and in the fair value gaps that I found, I'm analyzing inside the 15-minute and 5-minute. You can combine it as you want. You can combine, for example, 1 day daily and a 1-hour time frame, or 1-hour time frame and a 1-minute time frame. It's up to you. So my favorite are 4-hour and 15-minute and 5-minute inside these 4-hour fair value gaps. So this is it for today's video. If you would like to try the 10 days free trial for the premium indicator, please send me an email to the email address ict.trades.indicator, or you can find this email in the description below. So thank you guys, thanks a lot for your watching, and see you later.